Okay, so welcome guys to Educare 247. So we are back with the CAT special series on CAT 2017 Quantitative Aptitude. Okay, so in this session we are bringing CAT slot 2 Quantitative Aptitude, and we'll have part 1 in which we are going to cover 8 questions of Quantitative Aptitude. Okay, so these are the best solutions that we could find out for the questions that appeared in CAT 2017. Okay, so please, I request you to attempt the questions on your own first, pause the video and then look for the solution that I'm giving you. Okay, also note down the solutions that will be given to you. That would be the best possible way that you could solve these questions during the exam time. And we have tried to show you how easy it is to solve CAT questions once you have that proper mindset and approach towards the questions. So that is what our agenda is, to make our students be exam ready in terms of approach towards the question. Okay, so let's begin with the questions. Okay, so question number 1 says, in a 10-kilometer race, A, B, C, each running at uniform speed, get the gold, silver and bronze medals respectively. If A beats B by 1 kilometer, B beats C by 1 kilometer, then by how many meters does A beat C? So this is a TITA question. Also, one thing that you should keep in mind is the answer has been asked in terms of meters, so we'll convert everything in meter over here. Okay, so we'll draw the line like this. Okay, so say A is over here, A reached over here, and A beats B by 1000 meters. Okay, 1 kilometer has been given, we converted it into 1000 meters. Okay, and the total is 10,000 meters. Also, it has been given that B beats C by 1000 meters. Okay, in the same 10,000 meters race. Why 10,000 meters? Because 10 kilometers we converted it into 10,000 meters. Okay, so just apply basic unitary method. Okay, if in a race of 10,000 meters B beats C by 1000 meters, then in a race of 9,000 meters B will beat C by 900 meters. Okay, just applying the unitary method, we know this. So when B is over here, B has covered 9,000 meters. Okay, A has already reached over here, so C will be over here where this distance is 900 meters. Hence the distance by which A would have beaten C is 1900 meters, and that is your answer. This is answer that you should input in the box, since this is a TITA question. So question number 2 says, bottle 1 contains a mixture of milk and water in ratio 7:2. Okay, so this is a mixture question. Okay, seems like it. And bottle 2 contains a mixture of milk and water in the ratio 9:4. Okay, so there are two bottles. In what ratio volumes should the liquids in bottle 1 and 2 be combined in order to obtain a mixture of milk and water in the final ratio of 3:1? Okay, so the question says, so consider this as bottle 1. Okay, and this is bottle 2. So in this, the milk and water is in the ratio 7:2, and in this, the milk and water is in the ratio 9:4. Okay, so we have to mix it in such a way such that milk is to water becomes 3:1. So in such questions, what you have to usually do is convert it into milk is to solution. So if you have to calculate milk is to solution ratio, it would be 7:9. Why 9? 7 plus 2, complete solution we took. Over here it would be 9:13. 9 plus 4, 13. Okay, and here milk is to solution will be 3:4. So now you have to just apply simple alligation and find out the ratio, okay, in which they should be mixed. How will you find out? So 7:9, okay, 9:13, and 3:4 will come over here. Okay, applying simple alligation, this will be subtracted from this, hence this will be 1 by 36, and this will come out to be 3 by 52. Okay, so 3 by 52 is to 1 is to 36 ratio. When taken, you will get the answer as 27:13. Hence the correct answer to this question is option number B. So the next question says, ABCD is a quadrilateral inscribed in a circle with center O. If angle COD is equals 120 degree and angle BAC is equals 30 degrees, then the value of angle BCD in degrees is, again a theta question. Okay, so a geometry question now. So first we'll draw a circle, because ABCD is a quadrilateral inscribed in a circle. Okay, so we'll draw a quadrilateral. Okay, so this is a quadrilateral. Okay, so just join the diagonals. Okay, this will be A, B, C, D. All right, so what all is given over here? COD is given as 120 degrees. Okay, and BAC is given as 30 degrees. Okay, and what we have to find out? We have to find out this. Okay, BCD. So keep one thing in mind: the angle subtended at the center, because since this is the center O, is always twice the angle subtended at any part of the circumference on the circle. So this will be 60 degree. Okay, also this is given as 30 degrees, hence this will also be 30 degrees. Angle subtended on the same segment on the circumference is same, so this is also 30 degree. So this is 30, this is 60, hence this will be 90. It forms a 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. And also angles, sum of angles of all angles in a triangle is 180, so this is 90 degree, hence the correct answer to input in the box will be 90. So again, a very simple question. Let's have a look at it. The manufacturer of a table sells it to a wholesaler dealer at a profit of 10%. The wholesaler sells the table to a retailer at a profit of 30%. Finally, the retailer sells it to a customer at a profit of 50%. If the customer pays rupees 4290 for the table, then its manufacturing cost is. Okay, so 3 times it has been sold by one person to another person, and all 3 times in profit. Might sound very complicated and very calculation intensive if you do not know the method to this. So let's see. This is a very simple question. Okay, so initially around it was sold at a profit of 10%. 10% means 11 by 10, right? Second time around, the wholesaler dealers sells the table at a profit of 30%, hence 13 by 10. And finally the retailer sells it to a customer at a profit of 50%. 50% means basically 3 by 2. So you should know the percentage conversion to fraction. Okay, so let us see the overall effect of this. The overall effect will be 429 upon 200. Okay, so 429 by 200 is the ratio of what it has been sold to, and this is the cost price. So it has been given that 4290 is the actual price which the customer pays, hence you have to just multiply this by 10 and the denominator by 10. Okay, then you will find the cost price, which is 2000. Hence the correct answer to this question is option number B. Okay, once again you got the ratio in the form of 429 to the base 200. Okay, in the question itself it has been given that this is 4290, hence this is just multiplied by 10, hence we will also multiply this by 10, which is the cost price. Okay, which is its manufacturing price, which you can say according to the question. Hence the correct answer is 2000 according to the option. It is option number B. Okay, so the next question says a tank has an inlet pipe and an outlet pipe. If the outlet pipe is closed and the inlet pipe fills the empty tank in 8 hours. Okay, if the outlet pipe is open, then the inlet pipe fills the tank in 10 hours. Okay, if only the outlet pipe is open, then in how many hours the full tank becomes half full? Okay, so basically what it is saying is, so this is a tank. Okay, complete. There is an inlet pipe and there is an outlet pipe. Okay, so inlet pipe fills the complete tank in 8 hours. Okay, inlet plus outlet fills it in 10 hours. Okay, so we'll just take an LCM of 8 and 10, which is 40. So in 1 hour inlet pipe fills 5 liters. Okay, 40 by 8. Okay, and in 1 hour inlet plus outlet fills 4 liters. Okay, again 10 by 40 by 10. Okay, so therefore outlet, the capacity would be 1 liter. Okay, because this is taking out 1 liter, which is inlet plus outlet minus inlet will give you 1 liter per hour. Hence the outlet pipe is taking out 1 liter per each hour. So the question says, if only the outlet pipe is open, then in how many hours the full tank becomes half full? So we have considered the full tank capacity to be 40, so half will be 20. and divided by 1 hour, hence it would take 20 hours, okay, for the full tank to become half. The correct answer is option number A. So Mayank buys some candies for rupees 15 a dozen and an equal number of different candies for 12 rupees a dozen. Okay, he sells all for 16.50 a dozen and makes a profit of rupees 150. How many dozen of candies does he buy altogether? Okay, so this he buys for 15 rupees per dozen and this he buys for 12 rupees per dozen. So consider he buys 1 dozen of this and 1 dozen of this. So together 2 dozen and it costs him 27 rupees. Okay, now they say that he sells it at 16.50. So let he sell both the dozens at 16.50. So he sells it at 33 rupees. So how much profit he makes? He makes a profit of 6 rupees. Okay, so since he makes a profit of 6 rupees and his investment is 27, so they have given the overall profit that he has made is 150. So 150 means 6 into 25. So 25 times he has made a profit of 6 rupees, hence the investment is also multiplied by 25. Okay, so for each investment he makes, he buys 2 dozen. So 25 times he has made the investment, so it is 25 into 2 dozens, which is 50 dozens. Hence the correct answer over here is option number A, which is 50 dozens. So again, a very easy question. If A, B, C are 3 positive integers such that A and B are in the ratio 3:4, while B and C are in the ratio 2:1, then which one of the following is a possible value of A plus B plus C? Okay, so first we'll write the ratio. A is to B 3:4, okay, and B is to C 2:1. So we'll just make it combined. So what you'll get, 3:4 is to 2. Okay, we just multiplied this by 2, the whole ratio, to get it common. Okay, so now the addition of all this ratio will be 9k. Okay, just consider 3k, 4k, 2k. So the addition of all these numbers should be a multiple of 9, but from the option we can see that the only multiple of 9 here is C. Hence the correct answer is 207, which is option number C, because the addition of all the numbers A, B, C should be a multiple of 9 only, and the only option satisfying this condition is option number C. Hence C is your correct choice. So the next question says, let ABCDEF be a regular hexagon with each side of length 1 centimeter. The area in centimeter of square with AC as one side is. Okay, so basically what they have given is they have given you one hexagon with side 1 centimeter, and they have asked that what would be the area of square of one side AC in it. Okay, so let us just draw an hexagon first. Okay, so consider this as a hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F, D, E, F. Okay, so AB is 1. We also know that this is 120 degree. Okay, so we draw perpendicular bisector over here. So this is 90, so this becomes 60, this becomes 30. Hence this is 1 cos 30, okay, by Pythagoras. And this complete side, so this will become root 3 by 2. Hence the complete side will be root 3. So AC becomes root 3. Hence the square of any side, okay, which has AC as one of its sides will be root 3 square. Hence the area of that square will be 3, which is option number B. Again I'll explain you if not understood. Okay, so this is 1, this is 120 degrees. We draw a perpendicular bisector, hence this is 60, 30, 90 degree triangle. So this becomes 1 cos 30. 1 cos 30 means root 3 by 2, and we need to calculate the whole AC. Since this is a perpendicular bisector, both are equal, so root 3 plus root 3 by 2 will be root 3. Okay, so we have got the side of one square, so area of that square with side root 3 will be root 3 square, which is 3. Hence the correct answer to this question again is option number B. So we are done with the first part where we have covered 8 questions with the best possible solutions for CAT 2017 slot to quantitative aptitude. I hope you enjoyed it and you have learned some amazing tricks to solve high level CAT actual questions. So please like, subscribe and comment this channel, and be subscribed to it, because you'll be updated from time to time, because we'll be coming up with more of such videos in the upcoming series. Thank you.